Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now yellow. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same tile again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead. Scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!